Yes, student. Now, variation in electron gain enthalpy. Okay. Again, we will discuss two things in a group, and second one along a period. So, first in a group, moving down the group, that is from top to bottom, electron gain enthalpy value decreases. Again, what? Negative electron gain enthalpy value. Negative electron gain enthalpy value decreases. Now, why? It is because size increases. Now, as we move down the group, one by one shell will increase, and if one by one shell will increase, the size will what? Increases. It is size increases. So nuclear attraction force decreases. If the size is very big, then the nucleus which is present in center will have very weaker attraction force for its valence electron, because now the valence electron is very far. Therefore, nuclear attraction force decreases. Now, if the nuclear attraction force will decrease, then the gaining of extra electron tendency will also decrease. Okay, and if there is less attraction between proton present in nucleus and incoming electron, then lesser will be the electron gain enthalpy. Are you getting? Now, second one is along a period. Along a period means on moving from left to right. This is called along a period. Remember, in a period, number of shell do not increases. Like second period, all the elements belongs to second period will have same number of shell. Similarly, if the elements belongs to third period, then again they all have same number of shell. But what increases? Proton increases, and the proton causes what? Increase in nuclear attraction force. And if the nuclear attraction force will increase, then it can easily attract electron. So as easy to attract electron, more will be energy release, because again the attraction leads to release of energy. Now student, the release of energy in the thermodynamic given by the negative sign. Therefore, the electron gain enthalpy, that is the negative electron gain enthalpy value, increases along a period. Are you getting? Now, on the basis of this general variation, we can give answer of few questions. But remember, we can only give answer of some simple question, not exceptional question. To give the answer of exceptional question, we have to look at for all the factors which affecting electron gain enthalpy. But these two questions are simple general question. First one, why halogens? Student, halogens belongs to 17th group, have highest negative value of electron gain enthalpy. So remember, I use the term what? Negative value. It is because energy releases. Release of energy, again I am repeating, is given by the negative sign. So, electron gain enthalpy. So, student, you know that where are the halogens? Halogens present in very right of the periodic table. And on moving from left to right, electron gain enthalpy increases. Why this increases? This is due to increase in proton, okay, and increase in nuclear attraction force. If nuclear attraction force will increase, the electron can easily gain. As easy to gain electron, more will be energy releases. Therefore, halogen shows highest negative value of electron gain enthalpy. Next question is, why noble gases? Now, what are noble gases? Which belongs to 18th group, and the 18th group element have complete octet, that is stable configuration. So the question is, why noble gases, that is 18th group element, have now what? Positive value of electron gain enthalpy. Now look at, I used the term what? Positive value. Earlier we used what? Negative value. But now in this question, the positive value is given with electron gain enthalpy for noble gases. So what is the reason behind it? The reason is that being halogens being atom group element have complete configuration, that is stable configuration, that is what fully filled configuration. If there is fully filled configuration, that means atom is already stable. Are you getting? Atom is already stable. Student, you should know why electron are releases or gain. This is due to completion of octet. And if the octet is already completed, then there will be no means of release of electron or gain of electron. That means such atom do not shows the gaining of electron. Okay, and if the electron are not gained, then there is no chances of electron gain enthalpy. However, if forcefully we have to provide electron to the atom having stable configuration, then what? We have to provide energy. And if we are giving energy externally, then this is given by which sign? Positive sign. Therefore, noble gases have positive value of electron gain enthalpy. Are you getting? Student, again you can think, what about nitrogen? So you know that the nitrogen have configuration 2p3, that is 3 orbital, each one have 1 electron, that is half filled configuration. So if the half filled configuration is there, then again this is considered as stable configuration. And if the atom is already stable, that is having stable configuration, then it will not tend to gain electron easily. Therefore, student, again the nitrogen have positive value of electron gain enthalpy. Similarly, beryllium and magnesium. Now the configuration of beryllium is 2s2, that is s subshell have 2 electron, that is fully filled configuration. Similarly, magnesium, it has 3s2, that is valence shell configuration is 3s2, and if the configuration is fully filled, again considered as stable configuration. And if the configuration is stable, then it will not tend to gain electron. Therefore, again their electron gain enthalpy is given with the positive sign. Is that clear?